Right, so having a look at these metric conversions, we need to remember these two facts. So 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres. Therefore, to go from metres into centimetres, to go from 1 to 100, we times by 100. Likewise, to go from centimetres to millimetres, to go from 1 to 10, you times by 10. To reverse this process, so to go from centimetres to metres, you would be dividing by 100, and to go from millimetres to centimetres, you'd be dividing by 10. Now we use those facts to convert. So 125 millimetres into centimetres. So we're dividing by 10, so 125 divided by 10 is equal to 12.5 centimetres. Part B, this time we're going from centimetres to millimetres, so we are timesing by 10, and we would get 840 millimetres. Part C, we would need to divide by 100 to get 8.9 metres, and part D, we're timesing by 100 to get 480 centimetres. So in question 2, we need to remember these two key facts. To go from kilograms to grams, we're timesing by 1000. To go from tonnes to kilograms, we're also timesing by 1000. And to reverse that process, we would need to divide them both by 1000. So part A, we need to go from grams to kilograms, therefore we are dividing by 1000. Our decimal place moves 3 places to the left, so we get 4.7 kilograms. Part B, times by 1000, and you get 9,650 grams. Part C, going from kilograms to tonnes, we divide by 1000, and we get 1.7 tonnes. And finally, timesing by 1000 to go from tonnes to kilograms, and we get 3,200 kilograms. So question 3, we need to remember this key fact that 1,000 centimetres cubed is equal to 1 litre, and that is key. They will not give you that in your exam. So to go from litres to centimetres, to go from 1 to 1,000, we're timesing by 1,000. And to reverse that process, we would be dividing by 1000. So to go from centimetres cubed into litres, we need to divide by 1000, and we get the answer 2.8 litres. Our next question, we need to times by 1000, and we would get 12,400 centimetres cubed. So question 4. It tells you that 5p coins weigh approximately 3 grams. What's the weight of £5 of 5p coins? So first of all, £5 we know is exactly the same as 500 pennies. If we divide the 500 by 5, it'll tell me how many 5p coins we have, which is 100. We know that the 100 coins have a weight of 3 grams each, so that is equal to 300 grams. Just double check the question, wants it in kilograms, so we need to divide by 1000 to get it into kilograms, which is 0.3 kilograms. Question 5, it tells you this ratio 2.5 metres to 60 centimetres. We need to make sure both units are consistent. So we're going to change metres into centimetres by timesing by 100. Now we can write this in the ratio. So 250 centimetres to 60 centimetres. It wants our left-hand side to be 1. So that's what we're aiming for. To begin with, I'm going to divide by 10. And we'd get this ratio 25 to 6. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 25. So that means I'd have 1 on the left hand side and 6 over 25 on the right hand side. So therefore our answer is 6 over 25, which is equal to 0.24. Either answer is perfectly fine there. Part B tells you that we've got water flowing at a steady rate. It takes 40 seconds to fill a 4 litre watering can. So the rate at which the water flows from the tap is halved. So to begin with, it wants to know how many centimetres cubed is 4 litres. Well, we know 1,000 centimetres cubed is a litre, so therefore this must be 4,000. Find the rate at which the water is now flowing from the tap. So if the rate has been halved, we know it's going to take twice as long to fill the 4 litre watering can. So we know the 4,000 centimetres cubed will now take 80 seconds to fill. It's going to take twice as long if the flow is halved. So now it wants your answer in cubic centimetres per second. So it's going to take 4,000 per 80. So 4,000 over 80. And if we simplify this, we get 400 over 8, or 50 cubic centimetres per second. So our last question, it wants us to work out the approximate number of gallons that are equal to this 48,000 centimetres cubed. We've got conversions using litres, pints and gallons. So to begin with, we need to change this centimetres cubed into litres. And to complete that, we divide by 1,000. So 48,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 48 litres. Now we need to convert the litres into pints. Well, to go from litres to pints, we must times by 1.75. So 48 times by 1.75. This is equal to 84 pints. Then to go from pints to gallons, we're dividing by 8. So we'd need to take 84, divide it by 8, and we would get the answer 10.5 gallons.